Hey y'all, welcome to our local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today, my hunk of burning love and I are gonna make you something so delicious. I've never made it before, but it sounds really good. I've never made it before.
That's gonna be the best.
We're gonna make breakfast enchiladas.
Oh God, there's nothing wrong with that.
I know, right? Okay, so we're gonna start off with some sausage. I just have regular Jimmy Dean sausage. So we're gonna go ahead and just start cooking that up right in here.
Ain't nothing regular about Jimmy Dean sausage. This is the best.
I have my oven set to 400 degrees. And now I'm going to crack a few eggs.
How do you want your sausage cooked? Medium well?
I want it cooked. Cooked good. Probably about a half a dozen. What do you think?
Sounds good. I'd go for 6, but whatever.
I sometimes will...
Right.
Okay, sometimes I'll put a little bit of Greek yogurt into my eggs. It just makes them a little fluffier. I don't know, I just like them that way. But I don't have any yogurt, so I'm just gonna put a little dab of sour cream in there. Just about a tablespoon of sour cream.
And Greek yogurt and sour cream taste exactly the same.
I mean, they kind of do, yeah. They're pretty close. I'm gonna go ahead and salt and pepper this. I'm gonna give it a little whisk. So to make this extra easy, I went ahead and bought diced ham. You can get some ham, lunch meat ham, whatever you want, and dice it up. I have diced ham here. And then I have this, the Hormel Black Label bacon that you just throw in the microwave. I love this stuff because it is so easy. So easy. You just take this, look. You can just take, it comes in individual packages, and you just pop this in the microwave. So I'm just going to use one of these because I'm just going to crumble it up. So I'm going to pop this in and cook it in the microwave. I like my bacon kind of crispy. Greg likes his kind of flimsy.
Medium rare.
But I'm going to make it a little more crispy. But I'm going to go ahead and add in some of this ham. We'll do the whole package, which is 8 ounces.
I promise you no one's going to go, there was too much meat in this. Too much ham. Somebody will.
Do some
You don't have to put this much ham in there, Rita.
whatever this is, cream cheese. And I'm going to soften this just a little bit so it'll go ahead and combine a little better. So I'm going to take a warm glass of water. Okay, we got warm water here. I'm just going to pop this in just for a couple of minutes and it'll soften your cream cheese up. Let me go grab the bacon now.
Feel like a detail. I'm going to slow things down a little bit over here. This goes out to all the sausage and ham lovers out there. Got any bacon fans out there at night listening to me?
I thought you would be a good. Remember when we used to go skating and you'd
be
like
couples on the floor only.
Yes. Yes.
Michelle, your nachos are done.
Come and get your nachos.
Next one's for couples.
Couple skate only. Backwards skate only.
People still skate.
There is a skating ring here in Branson, and it is busy. Yeah, it's busy. We need to go to that sometime.
Yeah. Put that on my list.
That would be fun. All right, now if you want more bacon, put more in.
I'll tell you right now, that's not near enough, but I appreciate the effort.
Okay, well that's all right. Let's put this in. I'm going to get you a different utensil.
You don't like this one?
No.
The lobster claw?
Here. So I'm just going to use half of that. And as soon as your eggs get done, we'll just pop this in and let it get good and melted.
Hurry up, eggs. We're all waiting on you.
I've got other things going on over here, so.
What are you building over there?
I'm doing several different things at a time. I'm making a bowl of tabbouleh as well. Because my Ashley Beth is here. She just got here, and she loves tabbouleh.
I'm with the anti-tabbouleh program.
Okay.
I don't know. What is it? Is it rice?
It's cracked wheat.
Oh, okay. Cracked wheat. That sounds delicious. What is cracked wheat?
I don't know, but that's what it is.
Okay.
I don't know what it is.
Isn't that like Greek or something? Or
It's Lebanese. What Greg got me.
little things.
I love it.
Some guys buy their wives flowers or jewelry.
Yeah. What's wrong, Susie? I have no idea where my apron is. Uh-oh.
Look in the last place you left it.
It was in the last place I left it. Is there any Red Bull in there? Yes, ma'am, there is. Ooh. Actually, I just opened one and got a little sip out of it here. It's the one on the top.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, have you had this one?
I just took a little sip out of it.
Ice vanilla?
Say hi, sweetie. Hello. Here, say hello. My little baby. She came to work this week. All right, now we're gonna put the cream cheese in, get that good and mixed in, and then we're gonna start making our enchiladas. All right, have flour tortillas.
Cowbell.
You know what I need?
More cowbell.
I need more cowbell.
What's that like?
Spray my pan. Now what we're gonna do is just make a enchilada with this. So you're just gonna roll your tortilla right here. You can turn the ends in if you want, whatever you want to do. And then you're just gonna put it seam side down, just like that. You work on those. So I had a couple of ideas. I thought you could either put white gravy on top of this with some cheese, and that's one idea that you can do, or we can just do it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're just gonna do the shredded cheese on top.
You want to sprinkle this on the top or make another one?
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, go ahead and sprinkle the rest on top.
Just to burn it up?
Yeah, since we have, now I'm gonna cheese it. All right, so I thought the white gravy would be good, but he said no, so.
No, it would be. I just thought you had enough from the
cream cheese. So, I mean, you could do it either way, but we're gonna go ahead and just do it like this. We're gonna put this in the oven and let the cheese get good and melted. Or you could also put the salsa right on and cook it in the oven like that. I mean, how do you want to try that?
No,
or?
I don't. I think this
We can
right
just,
here.
okay, and then we'll put this, and then we'll put the salsa on top.
Decorate it with some salsa.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna put this in at 400 degrees until this is nice and melted and everything looks good.
It's new. Is that a bottle opener?
Oh, I don't know.
Work.
Oh.
Oh, look out!
Yum!
That's
Yum!
awesome.
Yum! Yum! Yum!
Mmm.
All right. That looks really good.
See what it looks like.
Okay. Hold on just a second. Hello?
Look at that. Looks awesome.
Yes, it is. For the bed and breakfast, you can do the rooms if it's available. So you can doctor it up any way you'd like.
Kind of wish now we put gravy on it.
Really?
I don't know.
Okay, well let's give it a try.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Y'all go make it. Breakfast enchiladas. I think you're gonna like them. So good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for cooking with me.
Thank you for letting me eat this delicious breakfast casserole.
Yes, you're welcome. All right, let's take it upstairs and share it. Sound good? Or you want to take it home? He doesn't want to share.
I'm going to share it myself.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll share it.
All right. Okay, you guys have a great day, and don't forget to expect something great to happen to you today. Make something great happen through you today, and come and see us at Local Flavor.
Just don't ask for this because it will not be on the menu.
Do not ask for this.